Today I'm taking a look at the AKM tool, 3/8 drive, 13-piece swivel socket set in SAE. Okay. So it comes with a nice foam carrier. We got that carbon fiber look there on the top. Everything is labeled here so we know exactly which socket is missing if we take one of these guys out. And I really like that red on black look. So we got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. So everything from a 5/16 up to a 3/4. No skips in that set. Got a couple of extensions. Looks like everything on here is going to be a 3/8. We also have an impact driver adapter. We also have a ½ inch to 3/8 adapter. So if you want to use a ½ inch impact with these, we can do that. And I also like to see on these, they are all drilled out straight through with that channel. So if we want to, we can use a pin and O-ring to make sure they don't come off. This is interesting. I have never seen one of these come with a swivel socket set. So we have a swivel adapter. So I guess if we want to super swivel, we can do that. I think that would probably, I don't know, maybe that would end well. I've never really tried that before. What I would probably just use this for is if there was a socket size, like maybe I wanted to use metric, but all these are SAE, I could just snap any old socket onto this adapter. So neat that they included that with this set. So we can see that these are all 6-point. They're all drilled out in the corners, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. I also like seeing that even on the small size, we have a nice thick wall on there. So that's definitely going to make these things impact rated. We got that same pin and style O-ring attachment, so if your impact has the capability of adapting to that, we can use that. And on the largest size, the 3/4, if we hold that up, that will hold itself up. So that's good. So that means that if we need to kind of like drive this into position, we don't want to have this thing just flopping down. This will go wherever we put it. I also appreciate that on the largest size, this is a fairly shallow socket. So most of the time whenever you're going to be using a socket like this, as opposed to something like this, where you would put the socket on top of it, with the adapter you would have to add on that much more material. With this, you can fit this into a much tighter area. So anytime we have to bend a socket around an angle, it is going to be very handy to have that extra shallow depth. Looks like our largest socket is just over 2¼ inches. And our smallest socket is about 2 1/8. They're all labeled, so you can easily see that is a 3/4. I appreciate that bright lettering on the black socket, so even I can see those. And everything seems to snap together nicely, so I'm not really having to force this thing. Holds on fairly well, and it does come apart when I want it to. So I probably don't need to use a swivel socket for this. I might be able to get away with just using a regular size socket, or even better yet, just a box end wrench. But if I wanted to get this nut on here, and I wanted to use an impact for it, swivel socket is going to be the best way to do it, because I can make sure I can get out of the way of that handle. So yeah, got a very nice swivel. I'm able to put that on my ½ inch impact wrench. Grabs the nut no problem. That is a very nice set of sockets.